So my dear students, we are having next question. An electron move along a circle of radius 1 meter in a perpendicular magnetic field strength 0.5 Tesla. What is the speed, okay, of electron? And it is also asking in the question, is it reasonable? Okay, so if you are finding the radius of circular path, okay, so this radius r is equal to mv divided by qb. Okay, the radius of circular path of charged particle moving in normal magnetic field. So the radius is given as 1 meter, and mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, and velocity it is required in question. And b, if we are talking about this q, it is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and the magnetic field is equal to 0.5, that can written as 1 by 2 Tesla. Okay, so if we are finding value of v, this v, that is the speed, is equal to is equal to 1.6 into 1 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 19 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Okay, so it can written as 1.6 divided by 2 into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 19 plus 31. Okay, so it can written as, so if you are just dividing 1.6 by 2 into 9.1, it will become 0.088 into 10 raised to power, and minus 90 plus 31 will be plus 12. It can written as 8.8 into 10 raised to power 10 meter per second. Okay, and it is practically not possible because it is going more than speed of light. Okay, so it is not reasonable. Okay, so we can write it is not reasonable. It is not reasonable because this speed is greater than speed of light. Okay, so the first part we have completed. Now we are going for the second part, that is b part. If we are talking the proton of the same radius moving on same radius, what should be the magnetic field? In same magnetic field, what should be the speed? So again, this r is equal to mv divided by qb. So this v is equal to r into q into b divided by m. Okay, so this r is equal to 1, and charge 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. If we are talking about the proton, electronic charge will be there, and the magnetic field is 1 by 2 Tesla divided by m. This m can written as approximate 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27. Okay, so if we are finding this speed, we will get uh, approximate 5 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. So 5 into 10 raised to power 7 meter per second. It is feasible. Okay, it is possible that speed, this speed is less than speed of light. Thank you very much.